So I'm here today at NVN Motorworks in London. They do all sorts, cleaning cars, PPF, detailing, and they've got a few special cars in today. Firstly, I'm looking at this stunning F8 Tribute. They've done a satin PPF on a black car, which just makes the car look super stealthy. Got carbon fibre on the exterior, tinted windows. Makes the car look so much more aggressive with this satin PPF as opposed to just gloss black, so I'm a big fan of that. This is it then, the new McLaren 765 LT. This is, I believe, the first customer car in London. Pretty crazy to look at from the back. I didn't realise all of this was mesh. It's absolutely wild. So much added aero over the 720S. I think this spec really works well on it as well. Quite a stealthy spec. Nice grey colour. Got these new wheels. Carbon fibre roof. How cool is that? There's the interior. Got the Jaguar XJ220 next to us. Extra bonnet louvres, all in carbon. This one's got all the optional carbon on the exterior. Wing mirrors too. So I'll give you a little tour around the exterior of the car first off. We've got this new central exhaust, which is very different to the 720S. It's got 4 pipes in the middle. I love also that you can see through to the engine. That's really cool. It's almost on like a Ferrari F8 or something. You can see all the way through. Obviously we had the 675 LT first. Now the 765. It's looking very nice up in this detail bay here at MVN. Loving those rear lights. There's all this mesh at the back, which I never noticed in the press photos. Almost like a honeycomb effect. Probably good for cooling. The wing is up at the moment. Obviously it can go up and down, active aero. But this car has an extra 45 horsepower or so on top of the 720S, and weighs 80 kilograms less thanks to the titanium exhaust, thinner glass on it, more carbon, etc, etc. Obviously lots of exterior carbon on this one, and it's got a pretty phenomenal power to weight ratio of 564 horsepower per ton. So yeah, seriously cool. Always find it interesting looking at the door handles on this car. They're very well hidden away. They are underneath here. So if I just press that, all you need is a light touch. And then here's the interior. We've got that screen which rotates and turns on, which I think is very cool. Quite nifty. Again, some protective covers and everything because it's a brand new car. But look at those seats. Those are phenomenal, aren't they? Really angular. I think they are the Senna seats, or at least inspired by the Senna seats. Carbon backed, satin carbon on the interior of this car, on the paddles, on the seat backs, which is quite cool. Contrasts with the gloss carbon on the exterior.
Just another